This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne. Show this beautiful ranch home with an in-ground pool first. Property includes all new plumbing in the home, new laminate floor throughout, new kitchen backsplash, dishwasher, guest bathtub, guest bath tile floors and shower tile with fresh paint throughout. New vinyl 6 privacy and side 6 wood fence installed. Backyard pool was converted to a salt water pool within the last 2 years. New pool pump and pool liner. New bathroom vanities in all bathrooms. Washer/dryer/2 fridges convey with property. Home is being sold in as-is condition. Seller will contribute up to $600 towards a home warranty of buyer's choice. For more information, review the details below.